Hippos can't swim, and other fun facts. Hey there, did you know that hippos are the third largest living land mammals? They come right after elephants and white rhinos. Did you know that a hippo's nose, ears, and eyes are all on the top of its head? That way, a hippo can still breathe, hear, and see while the rest of it is underwater. Okay, maybe you all knew all that, but did you know that hippos can't swim? That's right, their bodies are too dense to float. Instead, hippos walk underwater along the riverbed or use their feet to push off in order to move. Splish, splash. Can you swim? If you ever go swimming in an ocean, there's a chance you'll run into a sea turtle. Even though sea turtles seemed like slow animals, they can swim up to 35 miles per hour. That's much faster than a lot of other sea creatures that can go, and much, much faster than a jellyfish can move. Jellyfish float with the currents of the ocean. Wouldn't it be nice to float all day long? Some jellyfish can produce light in their bodies. It's called bioluminescence. Jellyfish use this quality to scare off predators since the light can startle other animals. Fireflies glow too, but they use their glow to communicate with other fireflies to attract a mate. They can control their glow so that it stays steady, pulses, or flashes every so often. A firefly's light comes in different colors. It can be green, yellow, or even red. Zebras don't come in lots of different colors, but their black and white stripes do help camouflage them. To predators such as lions, the stripes appear to blend in to the wavy African grass. Did you know that zebra stripes are as unique as human fingerprints? Zebras may all seem the same, but no two zebras look alike, just like no two humans look alike. Zebras are attracted to things that are black and white striped, just like they are. If you simply painted black and white stripes on a wall, a zebra would walk towards it. Raccoons, on the other hand, are attracted to shiny objects like aluminum foil, pots, pans, and, rustle, rustle, look out for the furry animals in your garbage cans. Chipmunks are more likely to be found in the woods than in your garbage can. Did you know that all summer long they collect nuts, seeds, and berries by stuffing them in their cheeks? Then they drop off the food at their homes. When the chipmunks return home to hibernate for the winter, they slowly eat all the food they've collected in their cheek pouches over the summer. Boing, boing. Kangaroos have pouches too. But kangaroos are marsupials. This means that their pouches are used to carry their babies. As you probably know, kangaroos hop everywhere. They use their strong back legs to hop and their muscular tails for balance. If you bounce on a pogo stick, you can hop like a kangaroo too. A rabbit is another animal that hops. Rabbits may hop much more slowly than kangaroos, but the longest rabbit hop ever recorded is almost 10 feet. Rabbits can give birth to up to 35 little baby bunnies per year. Some types of rabbits live as families in underground burrows. It's nice and cozy down there. Some bats also live underground in caves. Others live above ground in trees. Bats have excellent hearing. If there is an object or animal nearby, a bat will send out a sound that bounces off the object and then echoes back to the bat. By doing this, a bat can figure out how big the object is, how far away it is, and how fast it's traveling. 747 airplane, traveling at 547 miles per hour, 2 miles away. Cool, can you do that? While bats sleep all day, worker ants in a colony don't sleep all day or at night, all night. Instead, they each take about 250 naps throughout the day, each nap lasting just longer than a minute. This way, many of the ants are awake at one time and can continue building the colony. Wow, 250 naps. That's a lot. Did you know that great blue herons live in colonies as well? They mostly live along coastlines or near ponds or streams. Herons catch fish by standing still for long periods of time and waiting for the fish to swim by. That may sound boring to you, but herons do it to survive. Herons are 3 feet to 5 feet tall on average, whereas hummingbirds are among the smallest of birds. They're usually only about 3 inches to 5 inches tall. They're so tiny that sometimes they look like flying insects. Hummingbirds can hover in midair by rapidly flapping their wings 12 to 80 times per second. Blue whales are bigger than both hummingbirds and herons. They're actually the largest animals that have ever lived. Did you know that? They can grow up to 100 feet long and weigh up to 180 tons. Unlike hippos, blue whales sure can swim.